Hey guys, and welcome back to Jenny's Crypto class. In this video, I'm going to present to you the next alpha testnet airdrop called Solix. Solix is a Depin platform that enables users to monetize their used internet bandage by sharing secure products. And how do you mine this project? I'm going to guide you step by step on how to get started, and I'll also drop the referral link in the video description. Do well to start immediately and accumulate more points before the TGE. And another good news is that this particular project has raised 29.5 million in funding. That is huge. And the primary backer of this particular Solix airdrop is the Eclipse Foundation. Why don't you jump into this trend right now and accumulate points before this TGE? Now to get started, you're going to put your email. And your password. You confirm the password. You will see the referral link here. Then you're going to tick this C box. I agreed to the terms and conditions. Tick the 2 box. Then you now, once you tick the 2 box, look at it. Once you tick the 2 box, you will now see this continue. I have already signed in. So I've already signed up, so I'm not going to do this. Rather, I'm going to log in right away. I'll click on login. I have to log in with my email and password to continue mining. So this is the interface. Once you start mining this project, this is how you accumulate points. Over here, you can see your referral link. You have to copy your referral link and share to your families and friends. So right here, to accumulate points, you need to follow them on X and also join their Discord to win 5,000 points. If you also join their Discord, you are getting 5,000. If you do the social task, which is follow Eclipse Foundation, this is the founder or backer of this particular project, and you are getting the 3,000 points. If you retweet this post 15, these are what you can do to earn points. Over here now, if you go back to this place, this is where you will see the dashboard and the referral. And this is where you will see your referrals and your dashboard. So that's now let's to follow them on and win this particular point. Now you click on follow. Then you have to open it on S. Since you want to join them on S, follow them on S. Following. Now let's read their pin post. This project has been on for a long. They say in case you missed it, 29.5 million raised by the Eclipse Foundation. This is the backers of this project. Solix built with MCP to turn idle network into e-com, fast, simple, and ready to scale. The internet is no longer just a utility. With Solix, it is an asset. Kai! Do not miss this project. This project is backed by Eclipse Foundation. Look at what they said. They said, we have built quietly, you have earned consistently. Now we both graining up for what's next. And what is next? We know what is next now. They said nothing goes unnoticed. Some answer just need the right time. So take your time and start mining Solix if you have not joined. To win the 5,000, I follow them. It's checking. I have also joined their Discord. It's checking. And I have also foundation. So do your task to earn more points. So I'll do the remaining ones later. Twitter just signed me out because of all this logging in of a thing. So I'm going to do it later. So make sure you take this Solix airdrop extremely serious. This project could be something else. It could be something that can give you that USDT you are looking for. If you have not started mining, the link in the video description. And one good thing about this is that the system is mining for you automatically. You are not doing any job. Your job is to do your point or if there is any task, you do it and accumulate points. So that is it for this video. And an important update, I'm currently buying and selling USDT to Solana plus all gas fees. If you want to do any business with me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm the admin there. Send me a message, I will reply you instantly. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video.